Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli ako si Emmanuel o Alejandre. Ito ang aking daily devotion ngayong December 10. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung bakit tinatawag si Jesus na Lion of Judah. And this is also our topic for today, Jesus being the Lion of Judah. Now, calling Jesus the Lion of Judah proclaims his royal authority, unstoppable power, and victorious rule promised from the tribe of Judah. Sabi nga sa Genesis chapter 49 verse 10, "The scepter will not depart from Judah, nor the ruler's staff from the between his feet, until he to whom it belongs shall come, and the obedience of the nation shall be his." Now God declares that the scepter will not depart from Judah. This means that pointing forward to a king whose dominion will never end. And Jesus is that promised lion. He conquers sin, defeats evil, protects his people, and establishes God's righteous kingdom on earth and in our hearts. His kingship brings courage, hope, and confidence that no enemy can overturn his reign. So, we will hihimay-himayin natin kumbaga, no? In Genesis chapter 49 verse 10, the scepter shall not depart from Judah. So, manggagaling daw po talaga doon sa tribo ng Judah dahil sa propesiya, dahil sa plano ng Panginoon na yung scepter ay nandoon lang. Hindi po sa kahit saang tribo pa, no? It will not depart from Judah. The scepter, kumbaga yung parang tungkod, no? Ng kapangyarihan, authority, ay nandoon lamang. Dahil naka-anoint na yung taong magro-rule sa atin, and that's Jesus. Pangalawa, the Shiloh who owns the scepter will come. And yun na nga, dumating na in the form of man while bringing the divinity and authority of God, Jesus Christ. Pangatlo, the obedience of the nations is His. Wala nang iba. I believe 100% that in due time, lahat ng tao, lahat ng nations will bow down to Jesus. In due time. Maaaring ngayon, punong-puno pa ng corruption, ng evil yung mundo, but eventually, very, very close future, we will all be governed by Jesus and it will be wonderful. Kasi yung kingdom culture ng heaven, mapupunta sa earth. And kapag yun napunta sa earth, grabe. We will rejoice. We will definitely rejoice. So, as of now, pwede ka pa rin mag-rejoice. Because you have come to know Jesus. Kilala mo yung Lion of Judah. Kilala mo yung siyang maghahari sa lahat. Kings of kings. No? The name above all names. Kilala mo yung taong binigay yung sarili niya. Sinakripisyo yung kanyang buhay. Yung kanyang dugo para sa salvation mo. So rescue the lost through the gospel. Ipakilala mo rin sa kanila si Jesus. Kung anong ginawa niya sa krus. Kung ano yung pagmamahal niya. Kasi yung pagmamahal niya, para yon sa ating mga hindi naman deserving nun. Pero it's still is timeless. And hanggang ngayon, mahal na mahal pa rin tayo ng Panginoon. And that will never change. So render faithful service to King Jesus. And be one of the spearheads of His kingdom. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.